So we got here to Reyes Station about 2 days ago. Found a spot kind of on the outskirts of town heading north. Tried to hitch out from Tamale Bay Trailhead, which is north of town, and couldn't get anything. Sat out there for 4 or 5 hours, so I decided to walk back into town, actually to the other side of town where there's a river and a wooded area where I thought I'd be able to camp. I went down, found a spot, set up, and luckily, right after I cooked dinner and was sitting there relaxing, about 4:30, started sprinkling. A local come walking by, and he said, "You do not want to camp there." He's all, "The tide will come up, and with this rain that we're about to get, there is no way you're going to be able to camp there. It is going to flood out on you, and you're going to be screwed." And he's all, "There's a big barn out there and on the opposite side of the field, which I'm in now, that he's like, you can get away with camping through the storm through there. No one's going to come bug you. If any of the locals see you or anybody, they won't say nothing." So we came over here, found this old barn, but it's dry. And being back here in the back, I'm not getting much of the wind, so it's not very cold. Freya's been tripping all day because the wind's been really high, so this barn creaks and rattles and doors bang, and so she's been on edge. Tried giving her a couple things of Benadryl, but it didn't do nothing. She's still wide awake. Thought it would knock her out, but sorry for the low light. Set this up. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff because I was going to sit through the rain, and I stocked up at the store. Big thanks to old Nick, old friend of mine. Should have known him. Got to be going on close to 30 years now. Kick down. Appreciate you, brother. That really helps out. These stores here in these little millionaire, billionaire coastal towns are expensive. Whoa, I'm afraid I'm going to poke her head out. Just there. But yeah, big shout out to Nick. We're going to be stuck here till tomorrow, and the storm is supposed to end. Come on. No, I'm not getting out right now. The storm's supposed to end tomorrow afternoon, so I think I'm going to be stuck here. It's just coming out. Come on. Come on out. But yeah, we're just chilling. We've got plenty of food. About to cook dinner here in a little bit. Had to drop my battery off at a veterinarian clinic last night to see if they would charge it for me, which they were kind enough to. Went back in between the storm today, and it finally stopped for about a half hour, and walked over there real quick and grabbed it. Was able to finally charge my phone. My phone was completely dead. But yeah, there's going to be a tough hitch out of here, I'm thinking. Maybe the weekend will be a little easier. Today's Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. Might be easier to get a hitch out over the weekend. But yesterday I stood out there for 4 or 5 hours. Plenty of cars go by, but nobody wanted to pick us it. So yeah, we're gonna crash one more night here in the barn. See what the storm does tomorrow. It's a pretty area. When we first got here, it was just kind of semi-cloudy and sun poking through. There's a bunch of people downtown walking around. But yeah, still stuck here in Reyes Station. right on a Tamale Bay, is what it's called, that you saw in the video earlier. Yeah, that's about it. That's the lowdown. Hope you all are doing good out there. It's been really quiet sitting here. It's been nice though. A lot of people come walking their dogs around here. There's a path that goes all the way around this barn and down by the bay and bird watching and all that. So people are still coming and walking their dogs out here in pouring rain. I'm like, wow. Usually my dog don't even really want to go out when it's pouring like that. But yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. See you in the next one.